guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna review two products from the brand Saint Botanica, and these are skin oriented products. And in case you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Payal and consider joining my family. All you have to do is just hit that subscribe button and it's free. Just hit that, and apart from that, while hitting that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the video you will be notified and you won't miss my future updates. The very first product which I'm going to review today is Saint Botanica Robusta coffee peel off mask, which is basically with coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter. Now if you'll notice, in Saint Botanica products are paraben, silicone, mineral oil and sulfate free. Now this product is meant for all skin type, and the price of this one is $4.99 for 100 grams, and everything is mentioned over here. This is not even tested on animals, which is always yay for me, and pure extracts. So this comes into a packaging like this. Now if it's visible, like, can you see coffee beans? These elements really matters to me when it comes to packaging. If a brand thinks about it, I'm like, yeah, that's cute. So I kept the carton for you guys. However, I've used this product 3 to 4 times, so I kept it so that I can show it to you guys. Now this is how exactly the packaging looks. It's basically a plastic tube with a golden cap. And here you can squeeze out your product. I know it's dirty because I have used it, as I said. And that's about the packaging. I like the packaging because it's squeezy, it's travel friendly, and it keeps your product hygienic, which really matters to me a lot. Now let's just talk about the consistency of the product. Just a second. If you'll see, it's firstly the color is dark brown, and you can see actually those grounded coffee beans, and it has a very strong fragrance of coffee beans, which is very evident. So you basically take out the product and apply it onto your face and leave it for a while so that it gets dry and you can peel it off. Yeah, this should be the consistency when you apply it onto your face. So the thing is that I have used this product 3 to 4 times, as I said earlier, and I'm really impressed. Firstly, I'm a very sensitive skin person, and whenever I use a peel off mask, my skin goes ekdam red. So I'm very afraid of using peel off mask. So when it came into my PR package, I was a little doubty about using it, but then my husband Om, he's the person, you know, whenever something fishy is there, I'm like, Om, please can you try this and let me know how exactly it is. So he tried it and he was really amazed, and I was like, okay, even I should try this. And then voila, rest is history. I really like this product. Once you remove the mask, you will see that your skin looks actually very tightened, very glowy. And if you see, like, many DIY masks also suggest you to use a coffee. The reason is that it is an excellent exfoliator. It helps in your blood circulation flow. It enhances blood flow, and apart from that, it also reduces acne and if you have any marks, and it has antioxidant benefits. So that is wow. In case peel off mask you're looking for, and especially sensitive skin people who really wanted to try peel off mask, this is an amazing product. Second product is really close to my heart. The reason is that I keep if you have seen my previous video, then I keep looking for vitamin C products, because vitamin C has properties such as antioxidant, anti-aging. It even helps you to fight blemishes, marks like hyperpigmentation. It reduces that. So I keep looking for vitamin C product, and I got to know that with Saint Botanica also has an eye cream. I was like, I'm gonna try this because it has vitamin C, and apart from that, it even has vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid, which is meant for hydration. And as I said previously, these are paraben, silicone and all those thieves products, and not tested on animals. And everything, like whatever the ingredients they have used and what's the purpose of the ingredient, they have mentioned on the carton, which is amazing. And it has vitamin E, which moisturizes, shea butter acts as a moisturizer. Then they have they even have a green tea. Oh my god, aloe vera and moringa has a great fragrance. Now let's just talk about the product itself, because I know you guys are excited. Let's just open the jar. Now the product comes into a jar like this. I believe it's acrylic packaging, and the price of this one is $1,199 for 50 grams. Now it really looks nice. It looks elegant with a golden cap and all. And if you'll open it, then there is a protective lid. You can see that. And if you remove this, then voila, there is your product. Now let me be very frank to you, I'm not a big fan of tubs because of the hygiene issues. Now how I like to use like my product is like I like to scoop it out. So yeah, this is how I like to take the product out. If you'll see the consistency of this product, then I won't say it is extremely thick as a night cream, nor even like watery. If you'll see, it's like the consistency is good enough for oily skin people. I would say that it's in between extremely thick and water, in between that. I hope it's visible. And talking about the fragrance, it does not have any strong fragrance. It has a very mild fragrance which smells a little bit like bleach. I won't like face bleach which you use. So it's not strong, it's very very mild. And yeah, so what I like to do is like dab it onto my face and blend it. So this is a lot of quantity. Let me be very frank, the best thing about this product is that you just need teeny tiny and it works wonder. For me, this will be like I have to massage well. Yeah, so this is the product. As it states, it's needed to be used in the night, but sometimes what I like to do is that when I'm wearing a makeup, I like to use it as a moisturizer, because it really, whenever I apply makeup on top of it, it actually adds that glow. I don't know how it works, what's the reason, but it has done that. So that's the reason of me using it. And if you'll see, it looks so moisturized, and once the cream is blended, you don't even notice the fragrance. That's the beauty. All you need is very 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 tiny amount, especially for oily or acne skin people. Just take tiniest amount, dab it, and just massage upwards in the night, and it will work wonders. Now to see the result in this cream, you have to use it at least for a month to see a difference, because that's how vitamin C works. I have always mentioned this in my previous videos as well, that vitamin C takes time to show you result. So in case if you don't see it in a week to in a month, then don't be disheartened. It takes time, but it will surely work, so don't worry. Yeah, those were a short reviews. I hope you liked it. I thought of making it because in case if you are planning to buy this product and were looking for a review, then it will be helpful. And that's it, and I hope you like. In case you did, then don't forget to thumbs up this video, and do follow me on social media. All the links of my social media pages are in the description box. Go ahead and follow me there. I would be glad. And in case you haven't subscribed, then do consider joining my family. It would mean a lot to me. And at the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.